morning to the Joy of Learning family and friends. I hope everybody is doing well. Today is a very special day, and I'm gonna bring one of my preschoolers' favorite puppets because they love me to bring Froggy often. So I'm gonna call him Froggy. Here's Froggy. Froggy, you wanna say hi to friends who are watching? Hello, everyone! And I think we should call Susie too. So let me call Susie. Say hi to the camera, Susie. Hello, everyone! Okay, Susie and Froggy are gonna join me today to talk about something special. But first, I'm gonna ask Froggy to take us to the calendar.
We're right behind you, Froggy. Let's try to figure out what day is today. So we are in the month of April, and let's see. Sing with me. Let's sing the days of the week. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yesterday was Tuesday, today is Wednesday. Now let's try to see what day is today by following the numbers. Yesterday was the 21st, and today is the 22nd, April 22nd. It's Earth Day, the day of our beautiful planet. And today we're going to learn more about our planet and how to take care of it.
As you might see, my friends, today is April 22nd. It's Earth Day. With the help of Susie and Froggy, so they could hold my sphere. Here is representing the Earth. It looks like a toy ball, but it's actually inflatable. It looks like a shape of a sphere, and I have them rotating because our Earth rotates around the sun. And Earth is the planet where we live. Do you see all this blue area? All this blue area represents the ocean, all the water. 70% of our planet is covered with water. And all this ocean has millions and millions of life species there. And you see the green area is the land. That's the surface where we are right now. We're walking. And I see here, let's look for where we live here. Now, the Earth's rotating right now. As we speak, the Earth is going around and it orbits the sun. So here is South America, and here we're in North America. Let's see, Froggy, can you point? Where is it? Right here, where Froggy is pointing, that's where we live, in California. California is right here. So today, I wanted to take you, but I could only take one of you, which I have a Froggy taking the turns to do the calendar. So I'm gonna pick Susie to see some beautiful sights of parts of our world. Susie, you wanna go with me? Yes! Okay, let's go. Let's go, Susie. Whoa, look at this side. Isn't this amazing? What do you think, guys? Look at those flowers. It's beautiful. Yeah, it is. I love they are so colorful and there's so many. Oh no, here comes the cold. Wait for me, guys. I gotta get my jacket, it's so cold. Susie, are you cold? Let me get you inside. Yeah, this is so nice. Look at all the snow here. Look at all the snow. Okay, I got my jacket now because it's already hot. Okay, let's ponerse el weather. Let's keep walking. Oh wow, Do you guys see all these little people over there and the houses? Yeah. Now we're here up high. Susie, open your eyes. Do you see? I'm gonna see here. That is really nice. And then, do you know what's coming next? It's a beautiful beach of Cancun. I love jumping on the waves, and I wish I could go all the way inside the water, but I'm just gonna be in the sun. Jump! I almost got wet. I almost got wet. You see all this beauty that God made in our earth for us to enjoy? It's beautiful. That's why we had to be responsible to take care of it. Now, let me ask you, boys and girls, a question. Do you guys like to live in a clean house, or do you guys like to live in a dirty house? I like to live in a clean house. And in preschool, I'm so glad that you guys are my helpers in cleaning. Every time you guys play and make a mess, you guys are the helpers and help me clean the classroom. What do I have here in my pocket? Oh no, this is a glove from this morning that I was using. You put that away, Susie? Sure. What, Susie? What did you do? Why you put it in the ground? You asked me to put it away. Yes, but not in the ground. The reason I had it in my pocket is because there was not a trash can around in the parking lot. So that's why I put it in my pocket. We don't want to put these things around. You know what makes me sad? I show all my friends beautiful sides of our earth, but now I want to show you other ones. Every day we fill out our trash bin full of trash, and then the garbage truck comes every week, goes to landfills, and look at this landfill. Now, whenever you threw something in the floor like you did that, Susie, you might think that doesn't go to the ocean, but it does. I'm gonna show you right now. Well, I'm gonna actually take Froggy because it's gonna be Froggy's turn. Where does these gloves and plastic and trash we threw on the streets, where do they go? You wanna know? Yes. Okay. So let's go back to our classroom, and I'm gonna go pick up Froggy.
We're going for a walk here around my house. Let's go, Froggy. And I usually take my preschoolers around this area. And in one block, we find like 3 of these ones. And let's see what does it says. It says no dumping. Can you read that, Froggy? This train goes to the ocean. And let's see here. What happens is that every time we throw trash, maybe a candy wrapper or anything that you put in on the street, what happens is that when it rains, it all goes down here to this drain and it ends up later in the ocean. And then we have this sad picture. Boys and girls, if you're at home, when you guys go walk on your street, look around for those signs. I'm sure you're gonna find many of those. Now we're back in class.
We're back. Okay, I'm gonna show you here the ceiling of our classroom where we have the solar system here. So excuse our sun, it doesn't have enough air because they're inflatables, but next to the sun we have Mercury, Venus, our blue planet Earth, then we have Mars. The first 2 planets are so close to the sun and it's so hot so nobody lives there. That's why the planet there is the perfect one for us. Then we have Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So let's review about a few things that we learned about our Earth. One, we learned that our Earth is around and orbits around the sun. Then it's the 3rd planet close to the sun. Then 70% of our Earth is covered with water. Then 30% it's the crust, the land, the solid areas. Our Earth has 1 moon. Some of the planets have more than 1 moon. And then our Earth we have gravity. And what does that mean? That means that everything that goes up, it has to come down. And if there wouldn't be gravity, imagine what will happen. We are all attracted in the center of this earth. And remember, I told you that we live around here. Imagine if we live here and when the earth is rotating and is going this way, if there will be no gravity, we'll be falling down. But we are attracted to the center of the earth. So, and that's why everything that you throw up, it will come down. There is no gravity in the moon, and that's why you see astronauts when they go to the moon, they all kind of weightless and flying all around. And we could do another lesson about that. We have a lot of information. My kids used to love learn a lot about the space, and I have a lot of material for that. So I want to show you and encourage you to take care of our earth, and I'm gonna just give you quick glimpse about what things you could do at home to help take care of our earth.
In my class, I have 3 years old and 4 years old.
And even though we are small and they're small, one person could make a big difference. And you could make a difference too.
By respecting yourself and others as well as the environment, and protecting our earth by watering our plants, composting and recycling, we can reduce the amount of trash we throw away. In our next video, we're gonna talk more about composting and recycling. Find new uses for items like plastic containers. Use cloth towels and napkins instead of paper. Buy goods with little or no packaging. This is very hard to do, but let's try it. Donate toys and clothes that you have outgrown. And that way you're gonna help other people as well. Now, see, using both sides of paper, you use one side and then you could use the other way. Sorting items and recycle them: metal, paper, plastic. Rent and borrow books and CDs and DVDs. Right now libraries are closed, but when they open, you could go and get books and borrow books, and also the books that you're not using anymore, you could donate them. Repair broken items and damaged clothes instead of replacing them. If your teddy bear is broken, you could fix it. If your doll is broken, fix it. If your dress, maybe fix it. That way you don't have to keep buying and buying more and more and more. See the boys, what he's doing for compost? All this compost is good for our plants. And here in our kitchen, we have our compost where we keep all the peels from the fruits and vegetables and food, so we could put them in our backyard as nutrients for our plants. We'll do a video about compost later. That's it for today, boys and girls. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. In our next video, we're gonna talk about recycling and amazing things you guys could do with some items at home. I know you're very creative. I'll share in our next video all the amazing things our students made with recycled items, and I know you guys could do that too in your free time. See you. Bye bye.